It's a topic that's been on everybody's mind lately. Where's my stripper? I need to get me some stripper. Who's got stripper? Today, we find out exactly what's been going on in the chemicals market. Our show sponsor, Valerie Lennon and president of Benco Sales, was on just a few weeks ago, but she's come back to give us a vital industry update on methylene chloride. She'll cue us in on when we could be seeing relief for the solution that has become such a vital tool in our industry and synonymous with restoration. She'll share all the ways to get what you need right now. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.